Tako se to radi.
Bronx River. Bronx River. Bronx River. Yes. Yeah. Is that just the sound system and shit? Eddie, Larry Laws in the house. Jay Christian in the house.
Check it out. Here we go.
Never stop the funk flowing from New York, cause I'm a native bred and born, and I love to talk about the MC battles and old school crews, kicking rounds with my boys while they drinking 40 brews. Hip-hop is the medicine to soothe my brain, an imitation MC causes lots of pain. A good DJ could make my day, but with the microphone I love to sing. Get the stand steady, now you're ready, understand, cause we got the master plan and I'ma kick it if I can. Yes, yes, y'all, we can do this all night long, cause the vocals are strong and the rhyme goes on. My style has pauses, I fight for causes, I don't bear sins, just wins, no losses. Of course I tax the tower, got the power of a tank. I'm getting papers from my show, so yo, I'm headed to the bank. Yes, I'm a New York trooper, kinda like the New York gangsta. And FM DJ heard your record, he won't play it cause it stank. I used to bless the Buddha and my rhymes were always stronger, and when I started to stutter, only meant the herb was stronger. I'm outie like the Saudis on the alternate route, when the girlies are cute and I want to knock boots. But still it don't matter, cause I can still scatter, and I got more hats than the mad Jimmy Hatter. Chumps chit chatter, my brain is filled with data. Some beats are fat, but G's beats are fatter. Give us some props, I think we gotta take all the praise and dedicate it to Bambada.
Enough respects to Africa and Bada.
Yes, yes, y'all. Cheap, cheap, y'all. New York, y'all. Don't stop, y'all. Infiltrators on your station with the ghetto quotations. Garbage fed the rap equations, getting heavy rotation. Heavy rotation.